Hello guys, today we are going to find the quantity of bars which is a part of estimation of staircase. Okay, so you can see on the right hand side plan and sectional elevation of the staircase. In the middle, same but in 3-dimensional, and in the left hand side you can see the reinforcement of staircase. Before moving on to the next step, please subscribe and click the bell icon so that you can get more videos like this. First we have to find the west slab. From the figure you can see which part of the staircase we called west slab. The length of the west slab 1 and 2 going to be the same. So by Pythagoras theorem you get the length of the west slab which is 3.35 meter. How? West slab square equals to 3 square plus 1.5 square. From here we will get the answer 3.35 meter. Before calculating bars, we need to know about 50D and 9D plus 0.1 meter. So 50D is the overlap length added to handrail on the both sides as per my design. But as per your design you can take in one side also. 9D is the hook length, 9 is the constant, and D is the dia of the bar. Top you can see on landing part we have deduct the cover so that we can get the actual length which is 1.15 meter. How? From total length of the landing minus cover. From here we will get 1.15 meter. Let's start calculating the bars. First we have to find X bars and Y bars. Here X bar are the long bars, Y bars are the short bars. So length of X bar equals to total length of west slab plus landing bar length plus hook length plus cover length. From here we will get 4.672 meter which is the length of X bar. Now length of Y bar equals to opposite length of X bar plus overlap length of both side. We have to add from the both side. So the answer will be 2 meter. After finding the length, we need to find number of X bar and Y bars. Here X bar are the long bar and Y bar are the short bars. So number of X bar equals to opposite length upon space between the bars plus 1. Here opposite length equals to 1.2 minus deduct cover from both sides. We will get 1.10 meter. Now putting this value on the formula, we will get 12 number of bars. After that, number of Y bars. Same formula we have to use, but the opposite length will be 3.35 minus deduct cover from both sides. So we will get 3.25. Putting this value in the formula, we will get 34 bars. Now we have to find the total length of X bar and Y bars by multiplying the length into bar. You can see the values 56.06 meter for X bar and 68 meter for Y bar. After calculating the total length, we need to find the total number of bars. So in market, one piece of bar is 12 meter long. So we have to divide the total length by 12 to get the total number of bars. So we already have divided. Here are the number of bars we need for X bar and Y bars. Again we have to find X bar and Y bar of west slab 2. everything is going to be same, but here for the length of X bar, we have to take the total length of west slab plus landing 1 plus landing 2. From the image, you can get why we are taking the landing 1 plus landing 2. Repeat all the steps till you get the number of bars. Now here we have to find the landing bars. I have written X bar calculated. How? Well, X bar of landing 1 are tied with slab reinforcement. Hence, there is no further need of calculating the steel required for landing 2. The X bar of landing 1 are already added and calculated in wet slab. Now we have to calculate the Y bars of landing 1. And concrete cover has deduct from the length of Y bar from both sides. So let's calculate the length of Y bar, which is 2.50 minus deduct cover from both sides, and we will get 2.40 meter. Then we have to find the number of bars equals to opposite length upon space between the bars plus 1. We will get the number of bars. After that, we have to calculate the total length of Y bars, which is 2.40 into 12. We will get 28.8 meter. As we know, one piece of bar is 12 meter long. Therefore, total length divided by 12 equals to number of total bars. After this, we need to find L-type bar for staircase. So first we have to find the length of L bar from the given figure. You can relate the numbers I have taken. 0.3 plus 0.6 plus 0.3 plus 0.6 plus 4 times 90 plus 1.1, and we will get 3.116 meter. After that, we have to find the total length of L bar equals to 3.116 into 20. Why 20? 20 is the number of steps here, and we will get the total length 62.32 meter. And we know one piece of bar is 12 meter long, and we will get the number of bars. You can see the rate chart of JSW TMT bar. Generally in government project in Assam, we use JSW. You can relate the rate chart with my table, where I have given dia of bar, component, number of bars, rate per piece. From here, you will get the total number of bar and total amount. But if you want to calculate the weight, there is a formula: d square upon 162 into total length, and you will get the weight. Thank you guys. In my next video, I will tell you regarding the quantity of concrete for staircase.